It's a 750, 2009. Now you can actually see it. I started it earlier. I started taking this apart earlier. And my tank is sitting right over there. And parts are all over the place. My tools. What I have here, all my other tools are in my boat. I took that apart and I had to change a bolt in the front, that's all. But I had to change the carburetor, I had to change the starter and the alternator, and a few other things I had to clean up. So that's on my boat. But this is what I'm after right here, is the carburetor. I have to get it off, so I have to take apart all these little hoses and connections and the throttle cable. You can see it right there. You can, if you look really close, you can see the gas going into the carb. So every time I throttle up, so I have to take this off. It's just hoses and rubbers that are holding it on together, hose clamps. So I'm gonna try to get it out tonight. And it got dark. I got tired earlier, so I decided to take a break, and I was watching a little bit of TV. But I gotta do this and get the carb out and work on it maybe a little bit in the shed. And but I still have to go back in and get my classes ready for tomorrow. Ooh.